So we're blessed with an amazing Trent Jones Jr. design here at Mauna Kea Beach Hotel, opened in 1964. We're actually celebrating our 60th anniversary this year. And with that anniversary, we're taking the legacy one step further with the third Jones family member now touching the golf course with a brand new renovation.
Our intention was to preserve the integrity of the course design by continuing with the Jones family.
Golf courses nowadays, with water being such a precious resource, we're trying to find ways to use, gray waters or treated water.
The course going to paspalam grass, right? We've made those decisions for sustainability reasons. This is a far more drought-tolerant grass. It's going to be far better for not only the local environment with less runoff, but also for water usage for the island. We anticipate probably a 30% reduction in water usage here on the golf course. Yeah, many people have passion for this property and for the golf course. There's many people who like to call this home.
Many of them are avid golfers, and many of them had an opinion about what we were going to do to the course. So we engaged them in getting some feedback from them.
As we went through the design process, I think what we've come out with is something that everyone's going to be really pleased with.
I mean, we had people that worked in golf and people that have never been on a golf course out helping to spread sprigs and to be part of this rejuvenation of the course, because it really brought our team together.
Oh, I know I'm the most excited. I can't wait for this thing to be done. I mean, golf is everything to me.